myself Jyoti Bandari, Assistant Professor from Spurti Engineering College. So in this video I am going to discuss few tools which are used to record the online lectures with the help of mobile phone only. So technology will not replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teacher can be transformational. So here, in order to record this video, I am using the app called A to Z Screen Recorder. So go to the Play Store and download the A to Z Screen Recorder. So the symbol of A to Z Screen Recorder is this one. So first download the Screen Recorder app. So it will record the screen of the mobile phone as well as the audio also. So this is the app. So whenever after installing, just you click on the A to Z Screen Recorder symbol. So whenever you click on this, you will get like this. On the top of the mobile phone, you are getting like this. So here you press, if you want to record the video, just you press on the record button. So whenever you press on the record button, it will ask for the permissions, and whatever the screen you are having on your mobile, that will be recorded automatically. So it will be like this only. So here I am going to record the educational videos. So I need to record the PPTs or different images which are related to the education. So in order to record the PPT, in order to record certain circuits, or in order to draw certain circuits, in order to write something, I need some app. So here the A to Z Screen Recorder records only the screen. So here I need to write something and I need to draw something. So in order to do that one, I am going to install two more apps. Those are Liveboard Interactive Whiteboard. So with this app we can record any video, we can draw any symbol, and here for this app we don't need any A to Z Screen Recorder, because here in this app directly we are having the recording option. So with the help of this app only we can record the audio, and we can directly make the interactive session like YouTube live session also. So I will show you how to go to live with the help of Liveboard Interactive. So with the help of this, without using A to Z Screen Recorder, we can create the live session with the help of Liveboard Interactive Whiteboard. And again I am using one more app, that is Incredible Handwriting Notes. So here I am doing one video. So this video I am doing in the Incredible Handwriting Note. So here we are having the different option. We can write anything in this one. This is just like our handwriting notes. So here we can write anything, and we can add any image, and we can erase that one, and we can increase the number of pages, and we can highlight the important points, and so on. So this video I am doing in the Incredible app. So go to Play Store, just download the Incredible app. The symbol is like this. So here this is the Incredible app only. Here I am having, this is the eraser symbol. So if you want to erase anything, just use that one. And this is the pen symbol. So you can select the different pens, and you can increase the wetness or decrease the wetness with the help of this one. So here I am using some fountain pen, and you can increase the thickness of the pen and you can decrease the thickness of the pen. And also with the help of this symbol, you can add more pages. To the corresponding slide. And also with the help of this one you can enter the text, and with the help of this one you can highlight anything. And here if you want to add any photo, then you can go for this and click on the photos. Just select any photo, then select any photo, then it will add to the screen once again. So here I am click on the photo. I am selecting some photo from the downloads. I am selecting some photo, so it will be add to here. So with the help of this image I can explain anything if I want to explain. And for example, if I want to explain some maths formula, so just I'm erasing this one, and I'm explaining. So just write a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So with the help of Incredible app, just you can write anything, and that will be recorded with the help of A to Z screen recorder. So this is the first app, and the next app is Liveboard. So just we will go for the Liveboard app. So here this is the Liveboard app. So here we can create any board and we can record that one, or we can directly share the live session also. So I am going to the default workspace, and here I want to create the board. So you can create the board, you can join the session, or you can create the PDF also, but the PDF must be having the 3 pages. So if you want to get more than 3 pages, then you need to pay some amount. So just I am creating some board. So I am creating some board. So here I am getting some board. So here we are having pen option, eraser, text, and here also you can add anything. You can add anything. Take a photo, choose photo, or choose folder. So just I am writing something here. This is the board. So I am writing Spurti Engineering, Spurti Engineering. Just I am writing roughly college. So like this you can write anything. So if you want to add more pages, just go to this one and click on the plus symbol. So the pages will be added. So here also you can attach any photo, and you can attach the PDF also. So if you want to record without using the A to Z screen recorder, then go for this. And here I am having some untitled board, share board, start recording, rename board, and change grid type. So just I am going for the start recording. So start now. Click on the start now. So whatever I am writing, that will be recorded here. And my voice is also recorded. So, and just I am stopping the recording, and I am saving this recording. So if you want to see the recorded video, just here I am having the recording sessions. So here it will shows the recorded video. So this is the recorded video. So directly you can share this recorded video, or just go to the board and create the board and write something, or just go to this, and you can directly share the live board by the usage of shareboard option. So here you are having the shareboard option. So if you click on this shareboard option, you are getting the screen like this. So you are having some session code, so you can share this session code, or you can invite by the email. So in this way the liveboard app is used to record the live sessions also. So again, in A to Z screen recorder, so we are having the settings option also. So we can set the video configuration, frame rate, bit rate, orientation, and we can edit the recorded video also. So thank you.